What's going on YouTube? It's Megs from Megs Loves Bananas, and I have a unboxing of this iPod Nano. If you saw my previous video, I did a mass unboxing and I got a whole bunch of iPod Nano stuff from Mr. Double D50. I actually purchased this iPod from him with all those watch bands. So I thought I would do an unboxing. What the heck? This is the 8GB iPod Nano in silver. So that's the packaging. Obviously, Apple does an awesome job on their packaging. So let us just remove the tape. There's the Nano, which we will come back to in a second. And I know you know what's in here, but let's get into it anyways. Of course, you get a pair of super crap Apple headphones, but my Apple headphones that I have from my iPhone are garbage, and so I'll probably chuck them, and these will be my backup Apple headphones. But I use my Klipsch S4i, so these will just kind of be put into my extra bag stuff. And then you get a nice USB cable. My USB cable is also kind of brown and discolored and dirty, so this will be my backup USB cable, and you get nothing else in the box. No instructions or anything. And then we have the Nano. It's got this nice little clip. Let's just take this sticker off. And there we go, the iPod Nano 8GB in silver. It's got this handy clip, volume up and down. We've got the power on top, and it has that nice clock feature. And then you can just, I have some music on and stuff on here. So yeah, they're pretty self-explanatory. It did come with a few watch bands, which is awesome. I'll be doing reviews on that. But I mostly bought this because it'll be good for working out and going to the gym with that clip feature. I do already have an iPod Classic and an iPhone, but this is just super lightweight, super easy to carry around. It looks really nice. I really do like it. So look for reviews to come on the watch bands that I had. And yeah, that's going to be it for me, and I'm going to catch you all later. Cheers.